Welcome back to the shop, everybody. Today we are going to be working on the Bowie knife once again. We are going to be taking the blade, straightening it out, making sure the spine is straight and all that. Going to be taking the handle and drawing that out a bit, getting that to shape and everything we're going to need before we fit it for a handle. We're going to try to clean it up a bit, maybe get bevels on it. I'm not sure if that's going to be this one or the next one. We'll see how much we can get done. Probably put it through a few normalizing cycles, and yeah, we'll see how it all comes out. And I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Thank you all for joining me today. I had a wonderful time getting this all straightened up and cleaned out. Still not sure what I'm going to do about that crack in it, but I have a couple ideas. So I was going to finish polishing it, but I managed to run out of belts. So I will get more belts over the weekend, and I will have a new video taking up on, I think, Tuesday. I'll be releasing a short though Sunday. So I hope you all enjoyed this episode and have a wonderful weekend. God bless.